Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today it's a very windy, wintry Tuesday, the 10th of October 2017, and I just want to highlight this particular chart. Really interesting. This is a 15-minute of the New Zealand dollar, and what I want to focus your attention on. You see this massive vertical move up, this very impulsive move. Well, if you consider a trader who sort of looked at that trade but didn't see it at the time, right? It's one of those trades that would have got you very excited, would have made you want to take the trade. So as price pulls back in here, it's really the only place where traders could have placed stops. Now you then they're the brave souls, right, who are doing it without any structure. Interruption. And then what we have is when price puts in a new high in here, pulls back, breaks up through it, then this area here starts acting as support. Now, as I said, brave souls going in here because there's no real area for them to hide behind as far as structure's concerned. And it's a dilemma for traders when the market is elongated like that, because where they're really going to place the stops below here, it's like it's a long way away. So when price elongates like that, creates a dilemma for traders. So this though, however, when price breaks up from that previous high, this then is a great place for people to place stops. Now, of course, it didn't follow through, but it gave the impression that it was going to every time it popped off that level. Then it drops down through the level and stops all those traders out. So if something is actually wanting to buy something large at an institution in the direction of this move, they're going to have to induce and seduce people into go long, and then their stop loss placement becomes obvious, and as price comes down through the level, it's manipulated. And if you're a buyer in here, then your stop loss orders are sell orders, and if you're something big, you want to buy in the face of that selling because it creates that efficiency of execution, which is so desperately needed, because the Achilles heel of institutions is their size. So again, you get a similar situation where you get this level here, and anybody who sort of went long in these areas, these mini structures, they all got creamed in here, right, as price comes down. And then this level has been done. Those stops have been triggered, and then up it went, and then the swing structure, when price puts in this impressive new high, although it did sell off from there, but obviously it was a strong move. This is another opportunity for traders to go long. They get creamed again every time there's buying occurring, every time. So we've got buying in here, buying in here, buying in here, and then buying in here, buying in here too. And then every time that's happening, then it's going against those stops. That's selling, because that's forced selling by virtue of the fact that these buyers are being stopped out. So price comes back to the level and it reacts off the level look, inducing more traders to go long where they're going to place the stop. So they're not placing it down in here, it's too far. So what they'll do is they'll go below that previous structure. So they do, price then comes down, stops them out again. But breakout traders go short. Amazingly, again adding to that selling equation, pulls back. What happens? Retracement traders go short, right? More selling, and then boom, they've been caught. So all in all, you can walk through all of this order flow and understand that probably something big has just been doing a ton of buying, excuse my dodgy beat, a ton of buying in the face of all that forced selling and the willing selling that occurred in this breakout stroke break pullback. Because what do traders do when price breaks out? Your breakout traders go short, pulls back into that structure, your retracement traders go short, and then it's creamed them. So if this pulls back, this looks like a pretty decent place to get long. And if you'd like to come and join me to understand how you look at the charts in this way and really understand order flow of a price and learn where the big institutions are taking trades, then click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside. Have a good day.